The topic of today's video is how to use Read AI in Google Meets. So we're going to have to operate from our browser for this. And what we want to do is go to our extensions on the top right hand side. Looks like a puzzle. We'll click on Manage Extensions. Then we'll click on Web Store over here. From there, we just want to type in Read AI. And then click on Add to Brave, or you also say Add to Chrome, or depending on what browser you're using. And we'll say Add Extension on the pop-up here. And the next thing we want to do is click on Enable More Features, and that'll prompt us to sign in. Now we can click on Create Account, and then choose Sign Up with Email, Google, Microsoft, whatever your preference. I'll go with Google. So just complete your sign in. Then it's going to ask us to set up a calendar, so we'll choose Google Calendar or Outlook if that's your preference. We need to give permissions to everything here, so just say select all and then hit continue. From here we'll just press continue again. Alright, so here is what Read AI looks like, and what we're going to do is open up our Google Meets, so just type it in another tab here. We also want to pin our extension, so click on the extension puzzle again and just pin it right over here. Now we're going to Google Meets and we'll start a meeting. Now once it starts, it'll immediately get a pop-up here and you'll see Read AI and you'll say yes, add read. Then we just need to name our report. Now we need to click on people, and this could take a little while, just give it some time. And once you see read on the side here, just click on admit. And now Read AI will be able to join your session and it will start recording and capturing pretty much everything you say. And when you're done with your meeting, you can just hop over to Read AI again and view your reports. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.